What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be working on my 2005 Honda Accord. Every time I drive the car, I've noticed that it makes a little popping sound, and today we're going to try to fix that. I looked at all the suspension stuff and everything looked good. Ended up looking at the transmission mounts. The two bottom ones, they didn't look bad, they look good. I went ahead and looked at the top mount, ended up finding the issue. I had a bad transmission mount. In this video, I'm going to be swapping that transmission mount and giving the car a test run to see how it runs, and if it runs good, then that's our issue. But if you guys want to learn, keep watching this video, stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to try to catch the sound that it's making. It sounds like it's coming more from the driver's side suspension area. To me, it sounds like a popping noise. That right there. So I took off everything, obviously. So the bad thing about this was upper transmission mount. I'm gonna try to move the engine up a little bit. You could tell like that thing's really bad just by pulling it. I got the new part right here, and I think I spent like 50-60 bucks on this thing. It's pretty expensive for a mount, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back, and I'm gonna take this car over there to Fern's garage and knock it out over there, guys. I'll see you over there. Guys, I just got to Fern's garage, repping that Buc-ee's. I'm gonna go ahead and replace this transmission mount. It's got three 14mm bolts here, and then it's got three more down here. I already jacked up the mount already a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and replace it, guys. Alright, so I went and got a breaker bar. I'm gonna just break these bolts. There it is right there. Just like that. And go ahead and take off the plate. Oh my, that is ridiculous. That shit is just hanging there, dude. Look at that. That's crazy. It didn't even do nothing. Look, it's just literally hanging there. That shit was moving. But I'm gonna go ahead and knock those out. Take these bolts right here for this one, for the 14, and then I got one more down there at the bottom, and then one on the top. This one out, and then I'm gonna remove this bottom one here. There's different sizes. So this little one is in the middle, and then the longer ones are gonna be on the top left. And I think this top one right here too is gonna be long. So I'm gonna put those to the side. All right, for that one, you got to put kind of like twist it up and then use a open wrench 14 and try to get it from here inside. There it is right there. Alrighty, so I got my new one in place. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it, just this one, and then work my way to the middle one, and then the last one, and then of course the top three. Then put everything back and see how it goes. And get it nice and tight. Real tight on there, yeah. Yeah. All right. So the trick is to just put them in there, and then once this one's the first one you put in, and then get it threaded in a little bit, and then these are next. Get these threaded in a little bit, and then go ahead and tighten it down. Lower the jack down. Lower it down all the way, just like that. And put everything back on. All right, so I'm gonna put my battery plate back on. I already have it in place. It's held on by four 10mm bolts. I have one already there. That this one will let you go ahead and put the plate on. It just slides. It just slides right over it. You see it right here. So slide that over it. Same, the bottom two slide right over it. So get it in place like that, and then go ahead and thread them in. That way you can tighten them in later. Then you got one more down here at the bottom back side. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten them down. I'm gonna go ahead and put my battery tray after I did that. And then now I'm going to work on the intake and connecting all the hoses back. Bolting these two down. I think these are two 8mm or 10mm, one of those. Lay it here. This is for the battery. Put it to the side. Here's the filter, I'll leave it right there. But I'm gonna just lay it in there. You want to connect it to your actual breather hose. Yeah, they're 10mm. Go ahead and put them down. Give it a little nice little tight squeeze. Not so crazy. Then we're gonna put our top filter, our top to our filter. Lay it in there, but go ahead and connect your little vent. All right, so I got everything in. Now I just gotta tighten these 4 bolts. Put the hose back on. This one, there's a little clamp underneath where you just kind of pinch it and then pull it in. This one you just hang over it. Aim this so you could tighten it with a screwdriver. And then once we get these 4 bolts tightened down and tighten this one down, we are ready to plug in all of our connectors. We could do that right now, actually. Plug that connector in. Right here. Plug that in. This connector. What else needs to be connected? This little hose connector, push it in all the way. Same thing with this little box, I already said that. And I'm gonna go ahead and tighten down 8mm, 4 of them. Positive to the left, and then I got my ground, which is on red. It's like, it looks opposite, but I gotta get a better ground. But here's my positive, put it on there. Little 10 on it. Go ahead and tighten the positive. Adjust my battery. Go ahead and put the top on. Go ahead and tighten them down. And she's ready to go, baby. Let's get it. Alright guys, test driving it out and everything seems pretty good. That was the issue that we had and it got resolved, so it wasn't too bad. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I got some plans with this Honda. Probably gonna get some tint and then do the headliner. I don't know if you guys saw on my channel, I did my headliner on my truck. I plan on doing the headliner on this car as well, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna go with the Starlight headliner. I'm gonna do that soon, and then I'm gonna get the tint done. I want to do the tint myself. If you guys want to see more videos on the Honda Accord, upgrades, stuff like that, stay tuned to the channel. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for next one, guys, and I'm out. Peace.